Hi, it's Nikki, and today we'll be taking a look at the HP Envy Move 23.8-inch all-in-one PC. We'll also be going over some of my favorite features around the portability, the keyboard, as well as the touchscreen and the build of the unit. We'll go ahead and get this set up on the table here and get the power cord, and I do not need this box anymore, so we can get this out of the way. It is very easy to set up out of the box. I thought I was gonna have to assemble this kickstand. Little did I know it was already put together. These are the only 3 items inside of that box. It is very seamless, very easy to set up and take out of the box and be ready to use. We talked about the keyboard being one of my favorite features. It is well constructed, as well as the fact that it has its touchpad built into it, so you don't have to worry about the need of an external mouse on it. It was relatively easy to connect, being that I just put batteries in it and powered it on. It connected through Bluetooth all on its own. Also wanted to talk about how easy it is to store the keyboard as you move it around the home. You'd be able to use the keyboard pocket on the back of here just to store it straight inside, as well as this magnetic handle. So it does magnetize the back of it. It is not moving very far. And once you're ready to pick it up, easy enough to pick up and go. One of my other favorite features on here we talked about was this screen. All 23.8 inches of this screen come in handy because it is relatively large, but with it being portable, it's relatively light as well. It allows me to walk around my home, move through spaces, but I can also let my kids game on here, and that's one of my favorite things with that i5 processor, is that it actually supports mid-level gaming. It comes in handy when you want to be able to use it with your family, with your friends. You want to move outside and actually be able to use the unit on the go. You're able to do that. It can also support when I'm working from home. If I want to go sit outside instead of sitting at my desk, I can just take it with me and go. HP did a really good job when they combined all of these units in your home into one. You think about your laptop, the tablet, and even a desktop sitting in your home, you now have that all-in-one portable device. When you're ready to buy, you can actually shop with an expert in the link below. My name is Nikki, and I'll see y'all next time.